Welcome back to Kindergardening. This is Mr. Mark. Our garden word for the day is ripe. R-I-P-E, ripe. A vegetable or a fruit is ripe when it's ready to be picked. Taking a look at how our plants are growing, here we see the squash first transplanted and yesterday when they were growing great. The pumpkins, which we had to restart and put in protective cans, are growing great, and they'll be out of those cans creeping all over the garden before we know it. The beets on the left and the green beans on the right are growing very well. The radishes in the middle need to come out. They are ripe. The radishes by my hand are too large. They should have been pulled out a few days earlier. They were ripe before this time. The 4 radishes that my fingers are pointing to are just the right size. They are ready to go on the dinner table. And here we see one of the beets growing very nicely. It'll be ripe before we know it. Last year, the kindergartners planted bulbs from an elephant ear caladium. We put them out in front of the school building, and here you see them when they were very large last fall. These elephant ears can be grown year after year. We put them back in the ground, and here you can see the little green buds popping through the surface. If you have a chance to go by the Gashland School this summer, look for those plants growing out in front of the building, just like they did last year. We will do another update in 2 weeks, see how our vegetables are growing, and take another look at those elephant ear caladium out in front of the school. Have a great summer, and keep up the good work reading.